Let me explain to you the different style of implants and the component that gets on top of it that help makes a crown. Each implant crown complex is usually made out of three components. You have the part that goes inside the bone, that's the implant, and the crown that's going to fit on top of that implants with the help of an intermediate piece, and that's called the abutment. So each implant is made of three components: the implant, the abutments that will connect the crown to the implant itself. There are different type of crowns, different type of abutments, different type of implants. Mainly, you have, again, the piece that goes inside the bone. For example, right here, you have a standard abutments. This is a piece that comes out of a box, one size fit all. You can still make a crown on top of it, but sometimes you need more sophistication and more design, customization. For that, we need to do a custom abutment, and that's actually the piece that I use more in my practice. We customize it through either our lab technicians or digital dentistry, and then we make a crown on top of it. The advantage of this is it's unique for each patient, and it will help provide the most accurate and the nicest emergence profile, so you don't have food get between your teeth, and will help match the teeth size and color, and the works very well with the gum and with the surrounding tissue. There are different style of implant crown, and like this, for example, it's a little bit more of a one piece. There is an abutment that will be cemented to the crown, but this will become one piece that will be screwed into your implants. We like doing this whenever we can. That require very precise implant placements and location, and the beauty of it is if something happened, it's easily replaceable. We're talking about the crown that gets on top of that implant. Let's say with time, what we're seeing nowadays is teeth shift implants, because it is implanted solid in the bone, it doesn't move, so we might need to add some material to the sides to provide intimate contacts. We can easily unscrew this, add some components, and put it back in. So that's the advantage of this style of design. And then of course you have the all ceramic implant. In this particular case, it's Zirconia implant. It's the only material available for us to do all ceramic implant. And as you can see, it's a tooth colored. It's very bio-inert. All the components of the all ceramic implants are made out of ceramic. The screw that helps secure the abutments to the implant is fiberglass or carbon fiber, and you still make an all ceramic crown. So in case if you have any metal allergy, or if you want to have more bio-inert material and stay away from metal completely, we have the solution for you. I hope that explained all the steps. Please call the office at 301-652-9505 if you have any questions to set up an appointment, or you can go our website, and we'll hope to see you soon.